Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see by the title, this is something that's pretty unusual. You probably clicked this video like, is this girl about to put some foil in her hair? But you know I gotta try the things for YouTube, so we're home, we're in quarantine, but I'm not trying to have my hair looking any old way while I'm at home. So the other day I did do the rod set and took it out, comb it into like an afro almost, and my afro is growing, y'all, so please don't come for me. And I'm just going to use a foil, just what I said in the title. I'm using foil. So I'm going to separate up my hair into a half almost. And I saw some people do smaller parts, but look, I don't really want tight curls, so I decided to do bigger parts. So I'm just going to put 4 little parts in the back. I'm going to use my spray bottle, use the Lotta Body Moisturize Me conditioner, and I'm going to rake out a piece of foil, cut it in half. And in the beginning I didn't know what I was doing, so it's a learning process. Throughout this video you're going to see that I actually learned how to do it, but I was trying to make it real small and like thin, and that's not how it's going to get your hair that voluminous curls. So I realized, like, as I went on, as you can see throughout the video, that I ended up making the foil a little rough. Like, I didn't have to smooth it down so smooth, and you're gonna see that. So yeah, you don't have to make the foil so nice and neat. I'm gonna show you guys a few times how I do it, and then I'm just gonna complete my whole entire head. So what I realized that could have been effective, and I ended up redoing a lot of them that I didn't show on camera, was twisting from the roots. So before just like wrapping the hair around the foil, actually twist the roots up so you have more of a grip, and your hair starts from your scalp, you have more of a definition, and I found that it's more effective to do it that way. So I'm gonna start twisting it from the roots and wrapping it around the foil, just like that. Adding my water, adding my conditioner, adding a little bit of gel, not too much going on. And I'm just gonna complete this. And y'all, since it's not too much water in my hair, it dried pretty fast. People do leave it for about 3 hours, but I'm not doing that. I filmed this video at almost midnight, so I'm just going to sleep with it, put my bonnet on, and then next day, y'all, hold up. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna start with the ends and like unravel it. It's pretty easy to unravel, and plus you can save these, y'all. You don't have to spend no money except buying foil to buy some like hair rods. Hair rods are so expensive, so I'm just gonna take them out. You know, I gotta add my JBC oil to the ends while I pick out the curls. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing here, using the oil to smooth out frizz from my hair, especially the ends of my hair. So I'm going to smooth it all out, then use my comb. I don't have a real pick, so I use this big tooth comb as a pick. I'm going to pick it out from the roots and all areas that I like my hair to be full at. And voila, this is the end result. I hope you guys love this video. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, comment down below what other hair techniques or styles that you want me to try that I can use in my kitchen, because we are on quarantine, y'all. So this is a fun and easy style. I hope you guys try it. Comment down below if you think this will be effective for you. Let me know if this is something you would try, and I would love to see you in my next video. So next video is on Saturday, and I'll see you then. Love you guys. Bye.